You ready for your first Christmas present? Stay right there. Mama's getting it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, your first Christmas present.
What is it?
Stay here, Apollo.
What is it?
What's that, baby?
Let's turn it around this way.
You scoot her back a little. And now you just covered her up.
Let me scoot her back.
Yeah, just a little.
Scoot back.
What's that, baby?
Okay, let's turn it this way. Let's turn it this way. Is that yours?
Is that for you?
That's a good girl. That's how you started. Go for it.
Yay! Peel some more. Get some more.
Look at this. Yay! Guess I taped it a little too well. Look, look.
More. Look, there's more. What's that?
What is it?
What's in there, baby?
Should we go this way? Look. What's that? Here. You want to take
Good
that one?
girl.
Here, try this one. Look, you want this one?
Grab it.
Here. Take
Pull it off.
There you go. Is that
Yay! Pull some more.
Oh no, what's that? There you go.
Good job. Give Mama that piece that you have in your hand.
Here, come on, you have this piece. I'll trade you. I'll trade you the big one. You take the big one. There you go. Tear into it.
Yay! What is it? What's in the box?
Should we turn it around again? Look. It's colorful. What is it? Here, this one. It's a colorful box. You gonna pick it up? Here.
Good job,
Oh, you want
Dakota.
that? Yeah, there you go. Should we see what's in it? Maybe it's pretty really cute.
Make sure she doesn't put her fingers on the cardboard.
Want all that? It's a big green piece. Want all that?
Everything right in the mouth right away. Sweetie, we haven't sterilized any of that yet. Oh, you got rid of all the extra cardboard. Good.
Yeah.
There you go. Where's the power button?
And on the rear side of the toy.
Put the ball in here.
Press the plunger to start the air power. How does it do that? Right there, there you go. There you go, look up. Right there. Like this. Oh. Can we do it again?